An Arizona judge shuts down Democrats' lawsuit to keep third party off 2024 ballot. Hi, I'm Steve Inman, and welcome back to Resist the Mainstream. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Well, on Monday, an Arizona judge rejected the Democratic Party's lawsuit targeting the newly founded No Labels Party, which many Democrats fear will boost former President Donald Trump's bid for a second term in the White House. What's wrong with a little bit of competition? What are they afraid of? Well, Secretary of State Adrian Fontes recognized No Labels a centrist-leaning organization as a political party earlier this year. Maricopa County Superior Court Judge Catherine Cooper wrote in a decision that was issued on Monday, rejecting Democratic claims that there were deficiencies in the paperwork the group filed. Cooper did, however, leave the door open for Democrats to refile the lawsuit with new arguments. No Labels says it is seeking ballot access in many states and intends to run a bipartisan unity ticket for president if the two parties select unreasonably divisive presidential nominees. Group leaders say they intend to stand down if there's no realistic path to the White House. However, the Democrats, as well as some anti-Trump Republicans, are concerned that a No Labels candidate wouldn't even win, but could tip the scales in favor of Trump or another Trump-like Republican by taking votes away from the eventual Democratic nominee, the Epoch Times reported. No Labels has earned ballot access in Alaska, Colorado, and Oregon, but in Arizona, a battleground state that President Joe Biden won in 2020 by a thin margin, with Democrats argued that a signed petition to allow No Labels under the Arizona ballot didn't use the right phrasing and could have misled individuals who signed it. Democrats claim that it should have said that the signers thereof be recognized as a new political party, but instead said the assigners of the attached petitions according to reports. The judge ultimately ruled that there is no statutory requirement that the affidavit uses these exact words. In quote, "This is an important win for American democracy and a testament to the power of over 41,000 Arizona voters who signed to give No Labels ballot access in Arizona." No Labels leaders Benjamin Chavez Jr. and Jay Nixon said in a statement after the ruling. When Arizona Democrats filed their lawsuit against the group, a spokesperson claimed that the new party is not following the rules for political party recognition while attempting to be placed on the ballot alongside actual functioning political parties who do, adding Arizonans deserve better and voters deserve to know who is behind this shadowy organization and what potentially nefarious agenda they're pushing. They allege that the party hasn't properly registered or reported its donors as a political party in Arizona, under claims that it failed to follow state law. In both cases, No Labels has refused to follow the rules that a political party must follow as they continue to try to game the system to advance their dark money special interest at the expense of Arizonans, said a news release from Arizona Democrats last month. Once again, the Arizona Democratic Party is acting to ensure that Arizonans are protected from these out-of-state dark money groups seeking to intervene in our state's electoral process with no accountability or transparency. They separately filed a complaint with the Secretary of State's office in a bid to force No Labels to disclose its donors or lose its status as a political party. Quote, "We are as always evaluating all our options and will continue to fight to protect Arizonans' right to know who is bankrolling this organization as they inject themselves into our elections," said Morgan Dick, Executive Director of the Arizona Democratic Party. It's currently unclear who might be tapped to lead the group as a candidate for 2024, but it plans to hold a nominating convention in April if it can earn the third-party ticket. Some have suggested that Senator Joe Manchin, a Democrat, could be a contender, with the senator recently saying that he may leave the Democratic Party. In quote, "I'm thinking seriously," Manchin told radio host Hoppy Kerjeval, "about leaving the Democratic Party this week. I have to have peace of mind, basically. The brand has become so sad. The D brand and our brand. You've heard me say a million times, I'm not a Washington Democrat." Manchin said he has been thinking about that for quite some time and wants to make sure that his voice is truly an independent voice. However, he hasn't made any decisions about his future just quite yet. Senator Kristen Sinema of Arizona announced in December that she was leading the Democratic Party in favor of becoming an independent candidate, which may lead her to being pitted against Republican Kari Lake and Representative Ruben Gallego, a Democrat of Arizona, for the Arizona Senate seat in 2024. Again, I'm Steve Inman. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Until next time, take care, resist the mainstream, and we'll see you then.